How to add photos to Amazon Photos. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. For this, open up a browser and search for Amazon Photos. It will redirect you to this page. Select on Amazon Photos. Now right here, you should find the tab for your photos. Then next to it, tap on the Sign In button. If you are not signed in to your Amazon Photos, make sure to sign in. To add a photo, you can drag and drop your photos in here or browse in your device. If not, at the top, tap on the Add button, then select Upload Photos. Tap on the photo that you want to add and just tap on Open. Wait until the photo is uploaded. Mind it, depending upon the photo size and quantity, it might take a while. It will also depend upon your Wi-Fi speed. Once the photo is uploaded, you can easily share, download, order, print, or move to trash. For more actions, just tap on the More button. That wraps up the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.